Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the